Namaskar. Hello, dear friends. My name is Vijay Michihito Batra. My mother was Japanese and my father was an Indian. My friend Sumindra Chaudhary, a mechanical engineer working with multiple companies for the past 20 years, very passionate, very experienced. He's a son of the soil, born in Assam. We have a common passion. And the passion is to see how we can connect opportunities in countries such as Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, even Asian countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, with the youth of the Northeast India, the Seven Sisters. And the two of us have started an initiative and we are calling it Gambatte, the voice of Seven Sisters. Gambatte, friends, in Japanese means do your best. And I've been a corporate trainer for the past 20 years. On numerous occasions when I have visited the Seven Sisters, different cities, and conducting training programs, I have been really inspired by the sincerity, the sharpness, the hardworking nature of the youth of Seven Sisters. And I strongly feel that a platform, if it were to be made, so the youth of the Seven Sisters can access foreign opportunities such as the ones which I mentioned in Japan, South Korea and Taiwan, just like the youth in Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra and Maharashtra predominantly, and even northeastern part of states such as Rajasthan, they aspire and have access to opportunities in the Middle East, countries such as UAE, Dubai, Muscat, Saudi Arabia. But I strongly feel that the opportunities that the youth of northeastern states in India have by connecting with some of the countries I've mentioned, Japan, South Korea and Taiwan, would be phenomenal. And the approach is that first we expose our youth in Seven Sisters towards educational opportunities, so they're able to develop themselves in such a manner that they are able to add value at a very high level, right? By becoming engineers, doctors, why not? For instance, a country like Japan, the population is aging. If the youth from the Seven Sisters were to educate themselves, empower themselves, and then provide services, professional or business, to people in such countries like Japan and South Korea, there will be a tremendous prosperity, I feel, in the Seven Sisters. So the intent of Sumindra and I, Vijay Michihito Batra, is to start this initiative with the first platform that we are creating is the YouTube channel. And like I mentioned, we are actually naming this initiative Gambatte, the voice of Seven Sisters. And we are really hoping in the times to come, when we all come together, we'll create such a wonderful platform where the youth of today, that is you, would be able to mentor the youth of the future of the Seven Sisters, so Seven Sisters can experience peace and happiness through prosperity. So please subscribe to the channel, and like they say in Japan, Gambatte kudasai!